Why did all teachers say you have to pass the test?
Oh, because you got smart. So,
Yeah, but what if you got like a 69?
no. You must earn a 70 or better. There is on a final exam. Just not in your 90s. You must earn a 70 or better, and I'll give you 5 points if you turn it into me.
Well, somebody.
Yes. All right.
Miss.
Yes.
What happens if I didn't give you
What happens if you're late to second period? You won't be.
Wait, is it all
You won't
multiple
be.
choice?
I might be probably.
Yeah. Wait, what do we?
There's a written. There has to be a written.
But
Oh,
is it
that's
like
because you're an
multi-choice?
But he's an ROTC, so.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know what happened. All right. I'm in my teaching spot. You all should be quiet, listening, paying attention. Uh-oh. If you have questions, please raise your hand. Let's talk about this real quick. I'm going to go over the back page. 27 is B. 28. We talked about this at the beginning of the class. How can you tell if lines are parallel? Same slope. How can you tell if lines are perpendicular? Flip your fraction, flip your sign. 29. Your solution is -2, 1. So x is -2, y is 1. We will talk about any of these that you don't get right in a minute. Just check your work. 30. Your solution is 10, 6. That would be x equals 10, y equals 6. 31. Y is greater than 3x plus 4.
Which is greater than?
So to you, y is greater than, it eats the bigger number. The little one lives.
It's greater than x.
Okay, 32, the answer is greater than 3x plus 4. 32, no. 42 is not a solution. 33, thank you, Santiago, because you don't actually have to know how much burgers cost, and I've been doing that one all day. French fries cost 75 cents, and you're done. You don't have to know how much burgers cost, because the question asks, how much do French fries cost? So,
7 periods, not easy.
took 7 periods for me to realize it, and I made the key. 34, 2 -0.1, or it says around to the nearest 10, 2.05, comma, -0.09. Of those 8 on the back, hey, I'm up here, you're not talking. Of those 8 on the back, someone raise their hand and tell me what you would like me to work out. Jasmine. 30 what?
33.
33. Victoria. 34. Do we need to talk about 31 or 32?
27?
29.
Okay. All right. Who has my blue calculator? Oh, thank you. Okay. 27. Hey guys, if it talks to you about a table and an equation, that's what your calculator is there for. Okay? 2.5x. Second graph. Check it out. -10.
Oh.
-10, -25. Is that what's there?
Yeah.
-10, -25?
Oh,
No, it's +25, so it can't be A. I don't even have to check anything else.
Liz, can we use our drill test?
No.
Very good.
Hey. Okay, B. -10, 25. Okay, we've got to check a bunch more points. Just because it works for one does not mean automatically that it's going to work for all of them. -20, 50. 0, 0. 10, -25. 20. 20, -50. We're good. If it works for all of them, we know for sure that we've done enough work to check it. All right, 29. Solve this system. Is this substitution or is this elimination? Substitution. How do we know it's substitution? Ah, because it says x equals. We already have that chunk ready to go. No, it doesn't tell you how to solve it. 2 times 3y minus 5 plus y equals -3. So 6y minus 10 plus y. And someone that said, well, can I add 10? Sure, go ahead and add 10.
Is they gonna be at school?
Yeah, but I have a reassessment after school. What am I actually left with on that left-hand side?
Y minus
6y plus y is actually 7y. Negative 3 plus 10 is 7. Y equals 1. Sometimes you don't have to do the math. Sometimes just see it and let it happen. The other thing is you must find x. X equals 3 times 1 is just 3. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. That's the unit we just studied. Hey, pay attention. All right, 30. It's already set up for elimination, but we need to multiply to match. What do we have to multiply the top one by in order to get 2? In order to get them to match. 2x plus 2y equals 32. Don't forget to multiply everybody. If you are multiplying, you must multiply everybody. Add them, take a look, it's beautiful. Your y's go away. Can you stop, please? 5x equals 32 and 18 is 50, so x equals 10. And then again, go back to your original equation. 10 plus what number makes 16? Think about it. 10 plus 6. You don't always have to do the math, guys. Use your brains. You got it. All right, 34. 4 burgers and 3 fries costs $11.25. A burger costs 3 times as much as a fry. You guys should be checking your work. Don't stare at me like you're bored. You've got work to check. You should be following along with me. 4 times 3f plus 3f equals 11.2. What do I do next? Starts with a D. Yes, distribute. 12f plus 3f equals 11.25. Add 15f. Last step.
Divide.
Divide. Santiago. You okay? Okay, pay attention. All right, this one's already good. Number 34. Why do I say that one's already good? Because you can put it in your calculator just like that. What do we have to do to the bottom equation first?
Solve for y.
Solve for y. How?
Minus 1 over 5.
Minus 1/2. Minus 1/2. These ones go away, so I get y equals 1/5 x minus 1/2. Go to y equals negative 2x plus 4 and 1/5 x minus 1/2. Graph these two. Let's do zoom 6. Okay. Can you see in your window where they intersect?
Yeah.
Yes. If you can see, then you can do second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. Remember your poster's up here. It says how to find the intersecting point of 2 lines. They will be up tomorrow, yes. I'm not going to take them away from you. 2 points. 0, 4 would just be 0, 4, or 0, 4, 5. The 0, 4, 5 would tell you that the 4 turns into a 5. Negative 0.090, so 0.09. have time for one, maybe 2 questions from the whole entire packet. This is like speak now or forever hold your peace.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Do we still have 3 questions tomorrow?
We still have what?
We should have 5 tomorrow. 3 questions.
3 questions, asking 3 questions to ask.
Oh, perhaps yes. You will still have 3 questions, not 5. Not 5.
How
7,
many questions are there?
34.
Dang. It's not that much.
Yeah,
We usually have like 20 something.
Yeah. You
I want
can
like
ask
half
me,
that, 100.
shh. You can ask me up to 3 questions on the test tomorrow, that would be fine. Okay? I'm not talking about how do I put this on my calculator, I'm talking about math questions.
Oh, so you have.
If you're having a calculator issue, that doesn't count, that never counts. All right, number 7. What is this even asking? What is this really and truly asking? F of x equals 3x minus 17. Find f of negative 2. Huh? Plug in the value. And what are you trying to find, gentlemen?
X,
You know what x is.
Y.
Y. So this is really saying what is y when x equals negative 2. That's what it's, Santiago, turn around. That's what it's actually asking you. What is the value of y when x, stop it. Stop it, please. Thank you. All right, this one you can do it one of 2 ways. 3x minus 17, second graph. Let's start my table at negative 2. So that's where I got my negative 23. So calculator, y equals, go to the table, negative 23. If you want to, you can do 3 times negative 2 minus 17 in just the regular calculator portion. That would be fine as well. It still gives you the same answer. That one's from a long time ago, like
Let's get you number 10.
6 weeks into school, sure. It's another calculator one. Find the range of f of x equals x squared minus 12 for if the domain is negative 4, 3, and 6.5. What are they asking? Find the range. What is range? Y. Remember that domain is in the dictionary before range, just like x is before y. You got your poster up there. Right in the middle. Remember the chicken video I showed you? Yeah. There's that poster. Okay, domain. Domain is who then? X. So when x equals these values, tell me what the y are. So you can do this in your calculator. X squared minus 12. Look at your table.
Wait. X squared.
Yeah, x squared, sorry. X squared minus 12. Where are your glasses? Do I need to call your mama? No? Can you bring them tomorrow? So I need to call your mother. See if she can help me find them over the Christmas break. Yes? Second graph. From there, I'm looking for x is negative 4. There it is. So my y is 4.
What did you do on
3.
X squared minus 12?
Minus 12 is negative 3. And the 6.5, remember, second window, you can set your table to start at anything. So tell your table to start at 6.5. Second window.
Okay.
Tell your table to start at any value. You can tell it to start at 6.5. Go back to your graph, and there it is. This is 30.25. How do we write this? What's the most important thing to remember when we write our domain and range? Smallest to largest. Now that's not technically like, if it's not smallest to largest, that's okay. But chances are when you see it as an option on any kind of test that's multiple choice, it's going to